If you choose the right niche, even beginners can make thousands on YouTube. And all of this can be done without showing your face, recording your own voice, or even doing any editing. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's happening right now, and AI is making it easier than ever. Many people think YouTube's success requires expensive equipment, hours of filming, and deep editing skills. But that's no longer the case. With the rise of YouTube automation, AI tools can handle almost everything for you. In this video, I'll break down exactly how you can launch a faceless, automated YouTube channel in a niche that's already making money. Even better, I'll show you a single tool that will take care of the script writing, imagery, and editing for you. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started. Let's dive in. The niche I'm going to recommend is the philosophy niche. There are a few things that make it really good for a beginning faceless creator. 1. Tons of interest in the topic. 2. Lots of sub-niches. 3. Perfect for faceless content. 4. AI channels are already doing well. 5. CPM is low enough you won't have a ton of competition from experienced creators. A great example of a successful AI-powered philosophy channel is Statue of Wisdom, which has over 228,000 subscribers. This channel creates simple yet engaging videos about samurai culture, philosophy, and historical wisdom using AI-generated scripts, images, and voiceovers. When they started, they were almost exclusively focused on the teachings of one man, Miyamoto Musashi. Despite being faceless and fully AI-powered, it generates about $3,000 per month, according to Social Blade. Now, the philosophy niche is way too broad to attack, and we really want to niche down very specifically to get started. Statue of Wisdom started with Miyamoto Musashi, and since I want to replicate what he did, let's look at Sun Tzu, the author of the famous Art of War. For this step, I'm going to recommend VidIQ. This is a paid tool, but they have a free 7-day trial. You can do all the research you need during this period. After signing up, click on the keyword tab in the left menu, and you'll be brought to this screen. To start, I'm just going to type in Sun Tzu into the search bar. Okay, a 53 isn't great. For a beginner, I'd recommend looking for a niche, or a person with a 60 or 70 plus score. This might be hard to find, but they still exist. When you find a good niche, you want to click on the related, matching terms, and questions tabs of this screen. This will be a great source of video ideas. In the questions tab, I was able to find this keyword. How to win life's battles, Sun Tzu quotes, Art of War explained. With a score of 68, this is a great video to start with. Now, to make the video creation as easy as possible for beginners, I'm going to recommend a single tool for the rest of this process. Fliki.ai is an all-in-one tool that has a free plan, but even its paid plans are much more affordable than its competitors. When you first log in, you'll be presented with this screen. As you can see here, Fliki is a very versatile tool for content creation. Since we just have the keyword that we want to use in the title, we'll be using the Idea section to generate our script and video. In the Idea prompt section, I want to paste the keyword and title that I pulled from VidIQ. The max duration we can ask for on the free plan is 1 minute, so we'll pick that and hit Next. We'll use a philosophical tone, and under Purpose, we'll select Motivational Content, and the audience is self-improvers. Okay, we do want a landscape 16:9 ratio, English for the language, and under Customizations, let's switch to AI Media. You will have the power to edit the media in the next screen, but Statue of Wisdom uses an anime style, so for this demo, we'll follow their lead. Okay, now Fliki will generate a script for us. That will work. It says it's about 2 minutes worth of content, and we could definitely do a better job. But for now, this will work. I'll hit generate and wait for Fliki to do its magic. In just a few minutes, we've now got an AI video. Isn't this great? Let's check it out.
How to win life's battles, Sun Tzu's timeless wisdom. Sun Tzu said, "Know yourself and know your enemy, and you will win every battle. Start within. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, and emotions. Before tackling external challenges, align your inner world. Self-awareness is not just power, it's strategy in motion. In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity. Challenges are inevitable. Embrace them. Every setback is a disguised teacher offering the tools for growth. Reframe failures as stepping stones and transform chaos into moments that define your strength and resilience. Victorious warriors win first and then go to war, Sun Tzu teaches. Stop rushing into every battle unprepared. Success demands patience and planning. Understand the battlefield of life, think 3 steps ahead, and strike only when the time is right. True victory begins with mastering yourself. Own your habits, control your thoughts, and lead your emotions. A disciplined mind will outlast any external storm. Sun Tzu's art reveals that life's most significant battles are fought and won within. Channel Sun Tzu's wisdom in your journey. Reflect, strategize, and act with purpose. Comment your favorite Sun Tzu quote below and take the first step toward winning today by conquering yourself first. Share this video to inspire others to join you on this path to mastery.
That is a great start. Obviously, we wouldn't publish a video with that big watermark. There are a couple ways of getting rid of it, including the paid versions of the software. We could also improve the video in a few ways before publishing it. Let's say we didn't like some of the images though. With Fliki, we can easily edit them right here in the script. The first 2 images are of samurai-looking men, and then the images get a little more abstract. I'm going to click into Scene 3 so I can change that. When I click into Scene 3, there are actually 3 media files in this block. I'll click on the first one. In this window, I have the prompt that was used. Let's edit that. We'll enter a wise old samurai warrior, deep in thought. Now hit generate. Perfect. Much more on theme. Now, the second media image is similar to the last, so we'll replace that as well. Another cool feature of Fliki is you have access to a bunch of stock media. Just click the stock and we'll search for samurai. Now we have a bunch of options for new clips. I'll select this one that sort of matches the overall feel of the video. Now, I'm not going to keep going, but you get the idea how to customize images for your video. Fliki does have a few other features I want to highlight. Where to get monetizable background music is a common question for beginners. With Fliki, that's not a problem. Just click the Choose Audio file, and you'll have a wide range of copyright-free background tracks to choose from. You also have some options for different voice if you want. Click the Luna under the text of the screen, and a list of options will pop up. On the right-hand side of the screen, you have options for the audio level, and a bunch of ways to customize the subtitles. Once you are happy with everything, click Download, and you'll have your first video ready to publish. But before you can publish, you'll need a thumbnail. Guess what? We'll use Fliki for that too. Under Design, we'll click on the thumbnail option and we'll start with the prompt. Sun Tzu, writing Art of War in an old samurai home. For tone, we'll choose Ancient Wisdom. For purpose, we could use several of these, but I think we'll go with Philosophical Discussion and Audience. Let's go with Philosophy Learners. Click Next, then select 916, and we'll go with the anime style of AI creation. Okay, we have 3 different options to choose from. Just like the video creation, we have the option to edit text and images on these thumbnails. When we are happy with the design, all we need to do is click Download. And just like that, you now have everything you need to start a faceless YouTube channel in the philosophy niche. Now, the next step is taking action. You don't need a huge budget or years of experience. Just start with your first video, refine your process, and keep improving. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos on AI content creation. And if you want even more strategies, tools, and insider tips, join my free AI creator community. I'm sharing even more ways to grow and monetize AI-powered YouTube channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.